ꯃꯊꯪꯁꯤꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟ ꯔꯨꯜ ꯏꯝꯄꯣꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯩ ꯀꯥꯞꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛꯁꯤꯡꯗꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯇꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯆꯠꯊꯣꯛ ꯆꯠꯁꯤꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯏꯔꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯗꯤ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯕ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯤꯔꯣꯏ ꯂꯤꯂꯤ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯆꯍꯤ 2025ꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯐꯣꯔꯁꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯀꯟꯕ ꯆꯦꯛꯁꯤꯟ ꯊꯧꯔꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯧꯈꯠꯇꯨꯅ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯆꯠꯊꯣꯛ ꯆꯠꯁꯤꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯗ ꯑꯄꯟꯕ ꯄꯤꯍꯜꯂꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯑꯃꯃꯨꯛ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯔꯛꯂꯤ.
Definitely, we don't know the exact amount of people who will be visiting, but we are prepared to have as many visitors as we had last time in 2022 or even more. So we are hoping for as many visitors as possible. But like you've mentioned, that if there's any security concerns, we have already had meetings with the DGP of Manipur. We've also had meetings with the SP of Urkhul, Kamjong, Imphal East, Imphal West, and they have assured us that there will be adequate security arrangements made throughout the journey and from Imphal and to Urkhul, as well as on the way, and there will be adequate security provisions in Urkhul itself. So there is to be there's to be no problem at all. So I urge everyone to come out and participate in this festival, and we will make sure that everything goes smoothly.
ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯧꯅ ꯑꯦꯄꯣꯏꯟꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯍꯥꯏꯋꯦ ꯑꯣꯄꯟ ꯇꯧꯒꯅꯤ ꯃꯤꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯄꯨꯗꯨꯅ ꯆꯠꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯀꯣꯇꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯊꯤꯡꯕ ꯊꯝꯃꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯀꯥꯡꯄꯣꯛꯄꯤꯗ ꯊꯠꯈꯤꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯈꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ. ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯋꯦ ꯑꯣꯄꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯊꯥꯡ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯈꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯇꯨꯔꯤꯖꯝ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯠꯀꯤ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯣꯏ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯔꯤꯇꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯤꯖꯅ ꯉꯥꯛ ꯁꯦꯟꯒꯅꯤ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯤꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯛꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯄꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯂꯤ. ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ.